welcome to my channel if you're a new subscriber. And hey girl, to my returning subscribers, how y'all doing? Today I'm giving you a nice little calm tutorial on this COILY fro that I'm rocking right now. So make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. What you're going to need to do for this video is sit back, relax, and grab your handy dandy pick. So let's jump right into it. Hey y'all, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today I'm starting off my tutorial with some freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. Okay, so the tutorial that I'm gonna do today is kind of a coily bush. It's kind of like, it's not a coil out, it's not a wash and go, it's a in between, so kind of a wash and coil type of thing. You know, you probably don't know, but you're about to know soon. So yeah, that's what this tutorial is today. Okay, so jumping right in, I'm going to section off my hair, and then I'm going to begin the process and show you how to achieve it. So I'm gonna take the back section. So you're going to take the leave-in conditioner of your choice. It doesn't matter which conditioner you use. I'm using the Shea Solutions leave-in conditioner from my first video. Next product that you're going to use is the Wetline gel. It's actually called Super Lick by TG Extreme Hold New Styling Gel. But when you search it up on YouTube, everyone's calling it Wetline. But you're going to take the Wetline gel. I swear by this gel for this style that I'm about to do. Also, you can find this in the Dollar Tree. Don't go buy it on Amazon. Go to your local Dollar Tree and they sell this for $1. Can't miss out on that. So I'm gonna take some and I'm gonna apply it to my hair. Gonna detangle it. Okay. And after I detangle it, I'm gonna take a smaller section from that section, and then I'm going to rake it with my fingers. Then I'm gonna take some more Wetline, put it on my fingers, and then I'm going to begin to finger coil. So basically, to finger coil, I just wrap my finger around. Sometimes I alternate between one finger and two fingers. Honestly, once you get the hang of it, it'll just become normal, but I just twist and wrap, twist and wrap, and yeah. Okay, so I'm finally done, and I just want to let y'all know this is very time consuming, and it truly is a workout because my arms are tired. Your girl is tired. But yeah, I'm about to go run some errands, and then I will come back when it is nice and dry, and I will show you all the finished product. All right, y'all, so I'm back. I let my hair dry for a couple of hours. I ran some errands. I did a little bit of workouts. And yeah, so now I'm back to show you all the final product. So I'm going to take the bonnet off. Okay, so as you can see, the bush is a little baby. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy pick, and I'm gonna pick out my bush. Same way that I picked it out in the last video. In this video, we are rocking with the shrinkage. We are claiming the shrinkage. So yeah, that's the end of this coily bush tutorial. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Turn on them post notifications because the next video will be some cute. And that's a wrap. In the meantime and in between time, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. And I will see you when I drop my next video. When I see you.